All right, Professor Slaughter, what are we doing today?
DRL boards for Chrysler 300, old school, as you see.
Already broken down.
Broken down.
Okay.
Second one is in the box, ready to get broken down.
Okay.
To be continued.
We're checking in again with Professor Hornswoggle.
Working on it, working on. Gotta work that in.
Yep. So with this one, ladies and gentlemen, the halo ring that you see him modifying, it came way too big to fit in that slot. So let me show y'all real quick. That's where that shit don't fit. I'm trying to put it in there. So that's why, as y'all can see, doing some small modifications. We're gonna get my brother some lights. That's the crazy lady?
That's the crazy lady, the one that y'all like, hey, and she like, don't y'all be talking to me. What's this?
Don't be talking to me.
Cross street over there in the chest.
Oh my God.
I heard her screaming from over here, nigga. I was like,
What we doing on it now, Penguin Papa? Where we at with it now?
we
Assassin's
down one.
Creed.
We got one more down, opposite the reversal of it. So you're gonna take the headlight, we're gonna cut it and reverse it, slap it on the wall, and then we on to the next one.
Baby, baby, oh, that baby, baby, baby.
It's just like Justin Bieber right here. Ladies and gentlemen, Justin Bieber. Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ricky
Ricky Martin.
Martin.
Nigga walk around with a Glock. Lot of bitches come through when you know they throwing top. Ay. Lot of bitches come through when you know we getting guap. Ay. I'm up in the Bentley truck tryna get it guap. Ay. Nigga look like a rookie. Ay. Fucking that bitch man I took. Ay. Y'all niggas ain't shiny, I'm rookies. Ay. I'm in that bitch from Cook. Ay. I'm in that bitch from Cook. Ay. Y'all niggas know how I go. Ay. I drove some Lotto. Ay. I don't wait for the yo.
Y'all enjoying the content so far, man? Go ahead and drop that like, man. Go ahead and help me out. Let me know that y'all actually like it so we can continue to take out the time to, you know, do this stuff, man, because we be busy up here. So, ladies and gentlemen, so before every kit, before we go ahead and actually put them on the car, what we like to do is go ahead and run them for a good 20-30 minutes. So this is, as you can see, plug and play, generator box, lights. All right, ladies and gentlemen, just finished plugging everything up. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. So we go ahead and let these run for about 20-30 minutes or so. Just monitoring, making sure no LED boards are going out. Kind of playing with it, going through the color cycles. Interview.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is considered as a good job well done by Dream Motorsports. Elite Customs.
God's brand.
Master Sensei, aka that
Master
nigga
P.
know his stuff.
AKA Master P.
Yeah. AKA Bone Crusher, AKA Killer Mike, AKA
Everybody. We everybody.
Nigga walk around with a Glock. Lot of of bitches come through and you know they throwing top. Ay, lot of bitches come through and you know we getting guap. Ay, I'm up in the Bentley truck, I'm tryna get it guap. Ay, nigga look like a rookie. Ay, fucking that bitch man I took. Ay, y'all niggas ain't shiny, y'all rookies. Ay, I'm in that bitch from cook. Ay, I'm in that bitch from cook. Ay, y'all niggas know how I go. Ay, I drove some Lotto. Ay, I done went for the yo.
All finished up, ladies and gentlemen.